Hi, I am Milan and I have partnered with a clean, vegan, and anti aging beauty brand. I help people with their hair, skin, and wellness needs. If you are someone who's looking for a part time income which can be made when you are free from a location of your choice and only from your phone, then you've come to the right place. When I moved to Canada 5 years ago, I was facing a lot of hair fall and hair thinning. And I tried everything Ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani medication, oils, and shampoos, but nothing helped. I even tried all those DIY serums and masks which you can make at home. It took a lot of time, energy, and even money, but it did not help. A few months later, I found Moni, and I think in 3 months, I realized that things are changing. I saw new hair strands, hair growth, thickening in my hair, and then I just fell in love with these products. It changed the game. And after that, all I did was shared this product and experience with my friends and family on social media. And after 1 year, I can confidently say that I've become my own model. When people look at me and they see how my hair used to be, they come back and ask. Usually it starts with a compliment and ends up in a sale. I have helped a lot of people with their hair and skin needs, and it only makes me feel proud. What I also love about this is flexibility. You can work with at your comfort. There is no sales targets, there is no pressure, there is no monthly fees. So it keeps you going and keeps you in a very positive mode, and you can do whatever you feel like the way you like it, and with complete guidance and training. I've also got trained by the best network marketing experts in the industry, all thanks to this company. Another beautiful thing that I love about this is the community. I surround myself with people who are energetic, who are positive, who motivate me, and that keeps me happy and very, very positive. It's very simple. You can fit this business into your lifestyle. There is uncapped potential. You can decide how much you'd like to earn and work towards it. You can earn through commissions and bonuses. And I can give you more information about this once we move ahead. But it is all up to you, all up to how much time you can give in. So, to get started, all you have to do is purchase products that fit your hair and skin needs. And once you purchase that, you also get an affiliate link which you can share with your people and earn through that link. And the company takes care of everything around it, like taking care of your company lists, reporting, sending emails to your clients in future about sales. So it is all organized. Only thing you need to do is share the product. Doesn't sound amazing? If it does, then let's get started and let's talk soon.